Hey guys, Ben here, and I have with me
Heath.
Heathy. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be sharing with you money and kids and different jars that they go in. How does it go? Do you money dance?
Money, 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 money.
Make it rain.
Rain with money.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to have a look. Now we actually help the kids break their money up into, how many different ones have you got here? Three. Now Trent your older brother has like a bank account and stuff.
Yeah, my older brother's just over the limit.
Yeah, but so how old are you, Heathy?
9.
9 years old. So this is a great thing to do for kids who are 9 years old. So how much money do you have in your jars at the moment?
$140.
$140.
142. Never know when.
$142.
Never know when $2 comes in handy.
Never know. So what we do is we get the kids to break it up into different ones of these. Okay, so just in summary, guys, there's 3 jars. There's the save jar, the give jar, and then of course there's the spend jar.
The money jar.
Money jar. That's the one you're allowed to spend money on, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So this is the one where kids can save up for a bit. Like they don't have to spend all the money, right? Like this is why kids have a business.
So you can get some money to like spend.
So what do you spend the money on in your money jar?
I usually spend it. I'm gonna spend 10% on food and then things that last.
Okay, you're gonna spend more money on things that last.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what are some of the things that last that you're gonna spend money on?
I'm gonna buy a remote control boat that I can just drive around.
Yeah, and what else are you gonna buy?
And I think I'm gonna buy a remote control car.
Remote control boat and a remote control car. And we're thinking if we do well these holidays and you get a bit of money, what would be something a bit bigger that would be exciting?
A TV and a PS5.
Whoa, that'd be pretty cool. And why would that be cool?
So then I could have it in my room, not fighting over, no, Heath, you're not allowed on the PS4. I could go in my own room, laying on my bed, just playing PS5.
Because we have a PS4 for the whole family, don't we?
Mm-hmm. It's annoying.
So the spend jar is really good for kids to work towards something like a goal, because in business it can be hard to get them motivated to go out there and sell and do things. But if you tell them that they could have a PS5 or a remote control car or a boat or whatever it is that they're looking forward to, maybe a laptop or whatever motivates your kids, if they have a goal to work towards, that can be really cool. Just something small and short. It doesn't have to be like a $10,000 goal. Sometimes we find just small goals are more fun, like Lego, remote control cars. Usually you spend your money when we go on a holiday too, don't you? Mm-hmm. So last holidays we went away, you had heaps of money to buy stuff, didn't you? Mm-hmm. And Levi didn't have very much money, did he?
No.
That used to be you. Don't tell that story.
Me. Well, I was in debt because I was like in debt and I was like kind of stuck because I had to pay money that I didn't even have. Because
you borrowed money off your brother, didn't you?
Mm-hmm. So it was kind of really bad times. So now I've learnt my lesson. Do not spend all your money. No,
and don't spend more than you have either.
Exactly.
So now you've got more than enough money to do all the things you want to do.
Mm-hmm. And Leah's just learned a big lesson. Save.
So there's 3 jars that we use. If you do something different or you have a different way of doing it, please leave a comment below. We'd love to know what it is that you do with your kids. If you found this video useful, please feel free to share it with as many people as you can to help educate kids about money.